Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About secant of 2x, that is about 1 over cosine 2x. This one will go to numerator. Now we have the formula sin A cosine B equals to 1 over 2 sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. And the second one, cosine A squared equals to 1 plus cosine 2h over number 2. And now we can apply the formula in here. This one, we have 1 over 2 sine of 4s plus 2s, and we have 1 over 2 sine of 4s minus 2s. Because 1 over 2 multiplied by this one and this one, that is about 1 plus cosine 4s over number 2. So this one, 4s plus 2s equals to 6s. 4s minus 2s, we have 2s. Number 4 divided by number 2, we have number 2. So number 2 multiplied by this one. And now the integration of sine 6s, that is about negative 1 over 6 cosine 6s. This one, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by negative 1 over 2 cosine 2s. Negative number 2, we have negative 2s. The next one, that is about 1 over 4 sine 4s, and I will put about c. This one, we have negative 1 over 12 cosine 6s. This one, negative 1 over 4 cosine 2s. Negative number 2 divided by number 4, we have negative 1 over 2 sine 4s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.